Hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Welcome back to another video. I'm your host and host Kamal Khan, physiotherapist, as the name of my YouTube channel. So today I will be discussing about the license here in Abu Dhabi and Al Ain City. So you must need to have DOH license. DOH, previously known as HAD, Health Authority of Abu Dhabi, currently known as DOH, Department of Health. For if you are a DHA licensed physiotherapist, or your license is going to expire, or you have a job offer in Abu Dhabi, so the process which you need to do, which I inquired personally from DOH, I will share with you in detail. So DOH says like there are 5 basic requirements. I have written down here in my paper, so I can clearly mention all that and explain to you. So the first requirement is PQR 2017, which you need to, which is very mandatory. PQR is like professional qualification requirement, which is updated in 2017. So according to that requirement, you must need to have a bachelor degree and 2 years of experience, but your bachelor should be at least 4 years and your master should be at least 2 years for getting directly approval. But if your bachelor or master is less than that specific time frame, you can still get approval after manually uploading the documents and waiting for 3 to 5 days, and you have to pay additional 200 dirham for that manual verification. So then after verification you will apply for data flow and all that. So I will not be going into that detail. I will share the link in description for that video about that. So the first was like professional qualification requirement, which should meet 2017. Number second requirement is like your DHA or MOH if you are working here in UAE in different states like Sharjah, Ras Al Khaimah, Ajman or Dubai. So your DHA and MOH or MOH license should be active, and if it is expired, it should not be expired more than 6 months. So you are eligible to apply. And the question which I again asked from DOH, that what is the minimum time requirement do I need to work here in Dubai to transfer my license? So they clearly said like there is no specific time requirement. Either it is your first day or it's 2 days, you still can transfer your license. And I will tell you later on like what DHA says about that. So number third requirement is like positive data flow report in all component as per DOH rule. So positive data flow is very important. Data flow is basically a document verification from all your document get verified from this agency, educational experience, licensing and all that. And number 5 and last, which is really important, that is certificate of good standing. So you need to get a certificate of good standing from DHA and or MOH if you are working in Sharjah and other, which I already explained. So then if you are fulfilling these requirements, then you are exempted from DOH exam. If you are like coming from Saudi Arabia, Qatar or any other country, GCC country, still you need to apply for the exam. You must have to pass this prometric exam, and then you need to do data flow transfer, and then you can get the license. But if you are working here in UAE, in Dubai, Sharjah or any other state, you can transfer without being appeared in the exam. So what DHA says about certificate of good standing, which is really important. Again, when you will going to apply for DOH license, certificate of good standing which you will get from DHA official website, Sharian portal. So they said we can give you certificate of good standing unless you are working under DHA for at least a period of 3 months. So you must need to, your license must be activated for a period of 3 months, then you can able to transfer that license into DOH. But I have seen like one of my friend, he changed his license. His license was active for 2 months and 22 days, but still they gave him the certificate of good standing, and he secured his job here in Abu Dhabi. So there is no specific requirement from DOH side like for the time frame or the license activation. But if your license is cancelled, like if your license time is completed, so it should not be more than 1 year. That's a very important thing which I thought I would share with you. Yeah. So again, if you are for license transferring based, mostly the companies which are based here in Abu Dhabi or in Al Ain, they will transfer all the required document for you. But if you want to do it at an individual level, so again you can do it. First thing which you need to do, you need to obtain access to DOH electronic site. Number one thing which you need to do, DOH electronic site, you need to obtain access. via www.doh.government.ae. So you through TAM, TAM site, which is the site address is www.tamm.abu-dhabi. So through this site you will get access to the website, and you will get a UIN number. UIN is like unique identification number. So you have to put this unique identification number in your data flow, like that data flow, Abu Dhabi data flow, while you will be transferring your data flow report. And after verification of data flow and after filling all these documents, when your document will be verified, then they will activate your license. The time frame which will be required for all this conversion, it will be between 2 to 3 weeks according to DOH site. I hope that this video will be really informative for many people out there, and if you are not still yet subscribe my channel, please subscribe, and I will try to make more informative videos.